When I was 2 months old, I was diagnosed with a liver condition called glycogen storage disease. Since then, I've had many different roles and many different responsibilities. But the one identity I can never take a break from was being a patient with a chronic illness. Each year, metabolic disease patients like myself and those that struggle with diabetes interact directly with their physician for an average of 45 minutes. But the remaining 525,555 minutes we spend on our own. Without my doctor, without being able to connect with anyone I could relate to, too many of those minutes were spent simply struggling to figure out how to take care of myself. Because despite my searching, I couldn't find any tools that would help me independently understand my unique health data. It was through wrestling with this issue that EmPower Health came to be. Currently, most tracking tools require highly connected variables such as blood glucose, food intake, and activity to be tracked separately. Yet without putting these pieces together, it is incredibly difficult for patients like myself to understand how our lifestyle impacts our metabolic health. Additionally, when patients can't track their data, physicians can't access it, leading to impaired clinical decision-making due to an incomplete picture of patient health. EmPower Health Solution is a metabolic disease management platform that will enable both patient and physician engagement. Patients will be able to track all of their data in one place, and physicians will be able to access this directly within their electronic health record system. Based on their data input, patients will receive AI-driven metabolic health insights that will educate them on how they can better meet their disease management goals. Finally, patients will be able to access a robust network of community support. Over the past several months, we've conducted user validation studies with both patients and physicians. Based on our research, we found that 59% of patients currently struggle to track their health data, 64% want more education on disease management, and 74% are interested in connecting with other patients. The primary concerns our physicians reported were their patients' inconsistent disease management and an inability to access their patients' data. These concerns have directly informed our core features of data tracking, AI-driven health insights, and a patient support network. As you can imagine, the metabolic disease management market in the United States is significant, currently valued at over $50 billion. Our focus and our total addressable market lies within the disease management app market, which is currently valued at just over $500 million with a compound annual growth rate of 22.4%. Our serviceable attainable market focuses on the 18 to 54 demographic, which based on our research is a demographic that already consistently tracks their health data and is most likely to use mobile tools to manage their health. If we can capture 5% of this market, this gives us a serviceable obtainable market of $13.7 million. Our current competitors are diabetes management platforms. While some focus exclusively on improving the physician experience through the provision of patient data, others focus primarily on improving the patient experience through giving health insights and disease management advice. EmPower Health's unique value proposition lies in our prioritization of both patient and physician utility. Additionally, EmPower Health's core feature is our provision of a patient support network, which none of our competitors, both direct or indirect, currently provide. Our business model focus was on keeping patient costs low, given the financial toll that having a chronic illness already entails. We do this by capitalizing on 2 additional revenue streams from healthcare providers and clinical data consumers, such as research institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and medical device manufacturers. While patients will pay for access to our disease management services, physicians and data consumers will pay for access to patient data. For physicians, this will enable increased efficiency, because less time spent accessing patient data equals more time spent interacting with patients. For data consumers, this data will reduce clinical trial costs and give them access to a wealth of real-time information. If provided the funds from the President's Buckeye Accelerator, we anticipate these funds carrying us through the second half of 2023. The majority of these funds will go towards software development, which will also cover intern stipends. We also understand that EmPower Health will be characterized as a software as a medical device, which is why we have also devoted a significant portion of these funds to go towards clinical validation, which will be integral on our eventual approval. After the second half of 2023, we plan on applying for FDA authorization, purchasing our EHR integration license and developing our physician-facing platform, and launching our product with our first paying customer in November of 2023. Our team currently consists of 4 OSU undergraduates, each passionate about improving human health in our own unique ways. I serve as a team lead and have a background in biomedical and clinical research. Our software development lead is Chase Mansoure, who has expertise in machine learning and bioinformatics. Our user engagement lead is Morgan Nemchuk, who is a fitness instructor and a psychology student. Finally, our director of clinical outreach is Anjali Prabhakaran, a biomedical science and pre-medical student. We also have 3 physician advisors. We work with 2 endocrinologists, Dr. Elizabeth Bouchard from the Wexner Center and Dr. Melissa Liang from the Cleveland Clinic. We've also been collaborating with the Chief Innovation Officer of Google Health, Dr. William Morris. Our partners include OSU Health Plan and Food Leads, who is currently directed by the previous year's President's Prize winner, Christina Allen. Both of these programs currently operate to help diabetic patients that are part of OSU staff and the surrounding Columbus community. Not only will these partnerships be integral to our future growth and success, but they will also help further OSU's land-grant mission of supporting the surrounding community. At the end of the day, our goal is to empower patients like myself, who day in and day out work tirelessly to keep our bodies going. Our mission is to educate patients on how they can take control of their health, deepen the connection between provider and patient, and give patients the support that they need from the people that understand them most to make those 525,555 minutes feel a little less lonely. By doing so, we hope to take one step closer to a world in which every metabolic disease patient feels fully capable of living a long, happy, and healthy life. Thank you.